To have a successful garden, you need the right tools.
Well, we have tomatoes, and we have sunflowers, and we've got a lot of peppers. We've got several different varieties of peppers.
But Angie Regan uses her garden as a tool to help people grow.
I wasn't expecting to get anything, actually. But, yeah, I mean, this is more than I had hoped for.
She's the founder of Welcome Home SIS.
SIS stands for System Impacted Survivors. Not only are sisters in Christ, but they are system impacted.
It's a transitional house and reentry program for formerly incarcerated women.
Because women are the fastest growing prison population nationwide and in Ohio. They're being incarcerated at twice the rate of men.
The organization takes the women directly from prison and immediately works to get them on their feet.
The next day we get them set up with their Medicaid, their food benefits, and right off the bat where their health is a priority because a lot of them come to us in poor health. So
Regan's goal is to teach the women how to reintegrate back into society.
By week 2 we take them to get their state ID. They trade in that prison ID card to get their state ID.
And she helps them gain independence.
And that's a big deal. You know, you don't want to go for a job interview or whatever without prison ID or, turn that in. I mean, and it works. Yeah. But I mean, it's, they don't want to do that. They want a fresh start and be reintroduced to society. And
which is where the garden comes into play.
And eventually, these girls, the women that are in the house, need to learn independence. So, what's better than growing your own food,
With each plant that blooms at Welcome Home SIS.
And then all of a sudden there's like cucumbers, and I'm like, wow, and they're like huge.
So do the chances of the women having success once they leave.
I mean, I guess that's the trick to gardening.
For Spectrum News, I'm Kristen Angelini.